Mom, they can't see your feet. There you go.
後ろ、後ろ、後ろ、後ろ、前、後ろ、キック、右、右、右、右、左、左、左、左、後ろ、後ろ、後ろ、後ろ、前、後ろ、キック。浜田くんと鈴木くんはダンスしている。母と
Really?
Don't they do stuff like this before like work and stuff? Like they do like exercises, yeah? Like
exercises, yeah.
On the roof, yeah?
Yeah. That's pretty sick.
In Tokyo?
Yeah.
Only in Tokyo?
Or
Synchronized
very busy-
exercise.
Very
Sick.
busy, like business areas?
Yeah. And they believe it helps them like get the energy up, and then it helps them,
Be more productive.
which is pretty cool. Yeah.
Yeah! Woo!
前、後ろ、キック。
Interesting, man.
Oh, thanks.
I can't believe she bust out her iPod for
No.
I'll just try to
No, we only did the easy one.
see him just bust out the flares. I don't know.
Wow! Wow!
When we were watching Jordan Leon, he was doing a flare with a soccer ball.
Is that what he did?
Yeah, that's
Oh,
funny.
really?
He was
Cool.
breakdancing.
Oh, I missed it.
There's this, they did a talent show thing too at the dinner.
No, it was Jordan Leon,
No.
the Filipino boy.
At the end, yeah.
Yeah, at the ending part.
Yeah.
What guy?
Oh,
Jordan
those-
Leon. He was
Oh,
in there.
Jordan Leon?
Yeah.
Oh, never mind then. The guy that's in history class, Jordan. Yeah, the glasses. His
I gotta get their email first.
It's in history class. He wears glasses.
Oh,
Kinda
the
has
one
this
that plays
haircut.
you?
Mhm.
Long
The
hair.
local one?
Yeah.
Yeah, the local one.
Yeah.
Who just cut his hair?
Yeah.
He do flares?
Is that the one with the
Yeah, he
dimples?
can break that too.
What?
The one with the
Yeah, dimples!
See
Yeah,
that
he has
dimples,
a-
right? Like deep
Ah,
dimples.
dimples!
Oh, that was sick.
Yay!